What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Viana'S Beauty. If you are new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related from makeup. And talking about makeup, we're gonna be giving this gorgeous lady this makeover. Without much ado, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit on that subscription button and join the family to have lots of fun. So now we're gonna move into the tutorial. So we'll start off by grooming her brows, and if you haven't watched my brow grooming tutorial, I'll leave a link right up here. You can click on it and learn how to groom your brows at the comfort of your home. So I started off by applying coconut oil. This is just to moisturize her brows. Since I'm working with a blade, you have to be extra careful for this step. After using the blade to groom her brows, I'll go ahead to use the Sasha Buttercup butter. What am I actually saying? I'll use the Sasha Buttercup powder to set her brows and mattify it. This step, I like doing it because it helps the brow to last longer and it keeps the brow in place. I'm using the pencil David in the color 3. I'm following the shape of her brow. In this tutorial today, I'm gonna be talking less and we'll have more of music because I believe we've done this a good number of times, so you just use your eyes to follow along. Now I'm filling in her brows with that same pencil. So to define her brows, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I usually like starting. Don't mind my tripod dancing, my baby was around, so we just have a dance workout. Just follow the tripod to dance and exercise and lose some weight. So I'm using the color Cool Tan to define her brows, and usually I don't start from the beginning of her brow. I start somewhere around the middle. This just helps to make the brow look more natural. See, that baby keeps shaking the tripod. Okay, so when drawing your brows, if you make a mistake, just try to correct it, okay? Nobody is like perfect, even though we work towards perfection. Moving on, just follow along. So guys, I'm using the Saharan palette from Juvia, and I'm using the gold color to put it in her inner corner. Next, I'm going in with the purple from this palette. I don't know where I got this palette honestly, but I'm using a light purple to put at her V area, and I'm just kind of pressing that in because it's a matte color, so it's a matte eyeshadow, so I want full maximum pigmentation. Next, I'm going in with a light purple from the masquerade palette from Juvia's Place as well, and I'm tapping that into her crease area. I'm doing this because this too is kind of like a matte color, so just enjoy. So guys, I just thought I should let you know she brought her lashes before you guys come for me on the comment section. She brought her lashes and I applied the lashes. Usually I just allow the lashes to get tacky before I put. Then I moisturized her face and used the 01 primer to prime her eyes. I further went to use the Clinique foundation and the Mary Kay in the color 4 to just try to get her color tone because none of it was matching matching her skin tone. Okay, I further went to highlight her face with Elegant Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan, and now I'm applying the contour, Aden Cream Contour, just because she said she wanted something very quick. Yeah, we were running out of time. Her ride was already outside, honing, and I could not concentrate. You won't even imagine. So while I was making this look all along, let me just tell you a short story. While I was making this makeup, I was just wondering because she told me she wanted something very natural, very calm, and I started thinking of the type of demands our clients usually make for us. Somebody will tell you, I want something that's very natural yet popping. So I'm asking myself, which one is natural yet popping? It's true that you can do a very light makeup, but if you want it to pop, there's some extra things you need to do. Just like with her eyes today, I applied light pink, and for me, she wanted natural, something natural, but it wasn't really giving out for me. So I went ahead and applied glitter. And you know that once you apply glitter, you're already moving towards the the glam look. So I applied the glitter, and she was like, but anyway, she's one calm and very beautiful young lady. She doesn't complain, unlike some clients that always be like, no, why is this thing like this? Why is my face like this? So I'm applying the highlighter by Cal, and I'm blending that out. Okay, let me relax. I've been talking like forever. I don't know. I'm kind of just having fun doing this voiceover. This is so unlike me. I don't know what's happening. So guys, as I was saying earlier on, I want something really natural but popping. That's what just happened here. I did her lips very light because I thought her eyes were too dramatic, and she said no, she wanted the lips to be more pronounced. This is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed me doing this makeover. It's been long. I haven't done makeover on anyone except myself. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'm definitely gonna see you in my next. Remember to subscribe. So much love, guys. Bye.